Recovering deleted messages on Postmates can be crucial for keeping track of your orders and communications. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the app notifications. Open the Postmates app and navigate to the notifications section. Sometimes, important messages are saved as notifications, and you may find the information you need there. Step 2. Review email correspondence. Log into the email account associated with your Postmates account. Search for any emails from Postmates, as they may contain order confirmations or messages that you can refer back to. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Postmates customer support through the app or their website. Explain your situation and request assistance in recovering any deleted messages or information related to your account. Step 4. Check your device backup. If you regularly back up your device, check if you have a recent backup that includes the Postmates app data. Restoring your device from a backup may help recover lost messages. Step 5. Monitor future messages. To prevent future loss, regularly check and save important messages. Consider taking screenshots of crucial information or using a note-taking app to keep track of your orders and communications. By following these steps, you may be able to recover deleted messages on Postmates or at least prevent future losses. Always remember to keep important information backed up for easy access.